How to change ChatGPT account password. Hey guys, let's get started. So if you feel like your password is not secure and you want to change it, in this video we'll be learning how to do so. So first go ahead and open up your web browser and type down chat.openai.com and open up the link. Once the link opens up, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. Now click on the login button. Now enter the email address of the account that is associated with the ChatGPT account and tap on continue. Now in this page, you'll be able to find a forgot password option right under the password box. Tap on it. And now again enter the email address and tap on continue. Now a reset password link would be sent to your email address. So go ahead and open up your mailbox and open up the link. And now click on reset password button. You'll be redirected to a new page. Now enter your new password. Re-enter your new password to confirm. And once you're done, to finalize the action, click on reset password button. And that's it. With this, your password would be reset. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.